Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. In this video, we'll solve the following differential equation: y prime minus y tan x is equal to y cube sec x. So note that this is a Bernoullis differential equation because of this extra term y cube. So how to solve this kind of equation? So we'll divide by this extra term to the both side to solve this. So by doing that, here we have minus y cube y prime minus y to the minus 2 tan x is equal to sec x. Then we make a substitution, which is y to the minus 2 is equal to u. Then we have minus 2 y to the minus 3 y prime is equal to u prime. So y to the power minus 3 y prime is minus half u prime. So it will be minus half u prime minus u tan x is equal to sec x. So by simplifying, we have u prime plus 2u tan x is equal to minus 2 sec x. Note that this is a first order linear differential equation of the form u prime plus px u is equal to qx. I have already made a video on how to solve the first order linear differential equation. I will give the link in the description box. You can check from there. So now coming to the problem, here we solve this kind of equation by finding integrating factor. So here integrating factor will be e to the power integral px dx, and what is px is 2 tan x. So e power integral 2 tan x dx. It is nothing but e power 2 into integral tan x dx, and integral tan x is nothing but sec x. So it will be 2 ln sec x, 2 ln sec x. So it is e power ln sec square x. So which is nothing but sec square x only. So by multiplying by integrating factor to the both side of this equation 1, we get ddx of u sec square x is equal to minus 2 sec cube x. So what will be u sec square x? So u sec square is nothing but minus 2 into integral sec cube x dx. Now we will write in this way, so sec x into sec square x, and we write that 1 plus tan square x dx. So it is minus 2 integral sec x plus sec x tan square x dx. So integration of sec x is nothing but ln sec x plus tan x, and for the second integral we write sec x tan square x as sec x into sec x tan x. So it is basically sec x into sec x tan x. Now we know that in derivative of sec x is nothing but sec x tan x. So the integration will be half sec square x. So this is as it is, ln sec x plus tan x plus this is half sec square x. And we have integration constant c. So our u is nothing but cos square x minus 2 ln sec x plus tan x plus half sec square x plus c. And what is u? U is nothing but y to the minus 2. So the general solution is y to the minus 2 is equal to cos square x into minus 2 times ln sec x plus 10x plus half sec square x plus c, which is the required answer.